it's Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover video training blog on location and socially distanced from my cameraman. And this week I'm going to answer a great question that was sent in by subscriber John Seidenberg, who also registered for our virtual voiceover bootcamp. And John asks, what makes an effective voice in voiceover work? And, that's a natural question because it is called voiceover. So everybody thinks this is about the voice, or you need the voice of God or a certain kind of voice to be successful. But actually, nothing could be further from the truth, because in voiceover, it's not your voice, but your ability to tell somebody else's message in a way that's transparent. So we're not even actually paying attention to your voice. We're paying attention to the message. So here's an example. Recent direction I got on a spot was, we're looking for authentic, straightforward, spontaneous, colloquial, and thoughtful, not looking for anything that sounds like a typical scripted commercial read. Keep the delivery real, conversational, effortless, and natural, nothing announcery at all. So that's what makes a great voiceover voice. So selling, as we do in voiceover, is not about pumping it up and being fake. Selling is actually the transfer of emotion, as the great sales trainer Zig Ziglar did. And so that's what we're doing in voiceover. We're feeling, because we're actors, we're voice actors, and we're transferring the emotion of the product or the service to the listener. So it's voice acting. And that's this week's Inside Voiceover video training blog. I'll be back next week with more.